Hello guys, in this video we will be seeing what is the basic differences between a project and a product, right? So basically a project is something that is developed based on some specific requirements. Okay, if you are developing an application based on some specific requirement, that we call it as a project. So these requirements you might get from a specific individual client or customer, or you can be having a group of users. Whereas a product is something which we are going to develop based on the overall market's need. It's like a ready to use application provided by the companies to the users. So the another difference that we can see here is a project is developed within a specific time period. So every project will have a start date, every project will have an end date. So will be completing all the requirements in the given time, in the given date, and we'll be deploying it to the customer. Whereas for a product, we don't have any specific end dates. So wherever there are new enhancements we want for our applications, so we can do those enhancements. Until and unless we discontinue the product in the market, there is no end time for our product. And for development side, if we are developing a project, we follow a predictive approach. We follow a predictive approach, which means we already have the requirements with us. So we'll be concentrating on how to plan those requirements, how to design, how to develop, and how to deploy those requirements to the client. So we will plan in advance. Whereas in case of product, a product uses adaptive approach. So we cannot say when we will be needing some other specific features to be added to the requirements. So whenever there is a new functionality that needs to be added, according to that requirement, we'll be planning the development phases, how to develop that particular requirement. Based on the requirement we get from the market, or based on the overall market scenario, if something needs to be added, so then we will go with the adaptive approach. So one more thing is project is a one-time delivery. We will be delivering all the requirements of the client in one shot, and we'll be deploying the entire application in a single shot. Whereas product, it is a continuous approach. So the functionalities in the application will be continuously improved. So sometimes we'll be adding the existing functionalities. Sometimes we'll be adding the existing, we'll be improving the existing functionalities. Sometimes we'll be adding the new features to the existing application. So it will be a continuous improvement. So next one, if you want to consider some examples of project, you have HDFC, ICICI, their online banking systems, Big Basket, Amazon. So these are all service-based applications developed for some specific client. If you consider HDFC online banking system, that is the application that belongs only to the HDFC bank. A Big Basket maintained by some client. So according to their requirements, these applications were developed. Now, if you are going to look into this product part, the best example of product is an operating system. The best example of product, it is an operating system, OS, MS Office, antivirus, media players, etc. and etc. So thank you.